everybody, thank you so much for joining me for this video today. My name is Nicole and I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark, and today I have a what sold video for you guys. So this what sold video is going to be items that sold from July 3rd through July 6th, which is Monday. Actually, I don't think I sold anything today. I sold one thing today. So, and I am shipping this stuff out in the afternoon, so I might make more sales today, but I thought I would show you guys everything that I sold this July 4th weekend. And then this video will probably be up either later this week or at the beginning of next week for you guys. So I did sell 13 items on eBay and 4 items on Poshmark, I believe. So obviously this is the span of Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then here Monday, so it's 4 days. I actually did pretty decent. I was actually surprised by all of these sales because I wasn't expecting to make so many, as sales have been a little bit iffy recently, but I thought I would show you guys everything, and I will tell you what I paid for it, if there's a shipping discount, if it was on eBay or Poshmark. And yeah, so I hope that you enjoy this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my video. I do post new videos on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so please subscribe so you know when I post new content. Let's get right into the video. So the first thing I want to show you is a pair of swim bottoms, and these are by Body Glove. They are new with tags, and I did sell these for $15 plus shipping on eBay. The next item, and I already did all my my labels, so I kind of have everything by the label that for their shipping, by their shipping label. So this is Guinevere. This is an Anthropologie brand. I purchased this. I kind of paid up for it because I've purchased this brand before from Anthropologie at the thrift store to resell, and it did really well. Unfortunately, I think this one has a couple little tiny holes, which I did put in the photos. I think it's in the arm. Yeah, I think it's in the one of the arms. But anyway, I did pay up for this, and since it had the holes, I had to lower the price, so I only sold it for $10, so I really didn't make any money on it, but I was happy to sell it so that I can reinvest that back into my business. So that sold for $12 plus shipping. This next item is a belt, and I do sell belts once in a while. I don't have very many listed on eBay or Poshmark, but I like belts. I like to pick them up. Sadly, I don't do very well with them, but this is just a belt from Nordstrom. I actually purchased this on Poshmark, and I actually purchased it for myself. I wore it a few times, but unfortunately it's a little bit too big for me, and I just don't like the way belts feel, so I just don't wear them really. This is on eBay for $15 plus shipping. Excuse the mess back there. That's my death pile that I'm currently working on. I am going to be doing a listing challenge. Becky Park on Poshmark, she's doing a listing challenge on her channel, and I'm going to participate in it, so hopefully all that stuff will get listed during that listing challenge. This is a top by Maeve from Anthropologie, and it's actually really cute. I wore it a few times. It looks really cute with high-waisted like flare jeans. I sold this for, let's see, for $16 on eBay. Not for as much as I was hoping. I was hoping for like 20 or more, but you know, some of these tops just don't go for a whole lot sometimes. So I have been taking almost every offer that I've been receiving because it's really good for the algorithm, and so yeah, I have basically been taking every offer that I receive. So this was a really awesome sale. I picked up like 3 pairs of these American Eagle denim jean shorts. They're brand new, and I got them at Goodwill. I did pay up for them a little bit because my Goodwill does mark up anything new with tags, and I did pay up for them a little bit, but then I listed them for $39.99 or best offer on eBay, and all of the pairs that I purchased have sold, and they all sold for $35 or more. So these actually sold for $40, and they didn't send me a best offer. They just purchased them outright, so that was exciting. So it's $39.99 plus shipping. Okay, this dress I purchased on Poshmark a while back to resell. It is a really pretty ombre maxi dress. I'm not sure if I showed it in any hauls or not, but it kind of crisscrosses. It's very long, and it's very, very wrinkled, but hopefully they understand they're going to have to steam it or wash it or whatever to get that out. I sold this for $20 on eBay. This is a super cute top that I recently purchased at Goodwill. It is another Maeve top. Maeve's been selling pretty good for me on tops actually this week. And it's just a really pretty flowy, like a plaid, but I think it's a silk. Pretty sure this was a silk top. And I sold this for $22 on eBay. Okay, the next item is this Athleta skirt. It's like a tennis skirt with shorts underneath. I have had this a really long time. Someone purchased it for $18, which I was super happy about because they sent me an offer, I think, or I sent them an offer and they accepted. I was just really, really happy to get that out because I've had it forever, probably for like 3 years or something crazy like that. Okay, so the next item is this Free People top that I haven't had too terribly long. And it's just Free People. It's kind of like a tunic. It's been folded, so it's really wrinkled, but it's got this pretty crocheting, and it's kind of like a high-low tunic. And I sold this for $25 on eBay. So, okay, this I just purchased again very recently. I don't pick up all Soma, but I picked this up because I thought it was super soft, and if it didn't sell, I knew I could keep it for myself. And this is the Soma. Like I said, I don't pick up all Soma, but this I happen to pick up, and it is like a tie front. You can wear it tied or open, short sleeve, like a little, kind of like a shrug or something. And I sold this for, it was like a weird number, $17.25. Someone sent me an offer for $17.25, and I accepted. I think I paid like $2 for that, so I was pretty happy with that. This sold this morning on Poshmark so far, my only Monday sale. This is an Athleta dress. This is an older tag Athleta dress. It is like a tealish green color, and it's a nice dress. I would have kept it probably for myself if it was a small, but it's a medium and it's a little bit too big for me. This sold for, let's see, $25 with discount shipping on Poshmark. This also sold on Poshmark. This is a cool dress. I'll show you. The dresses aren't as well known as the other, like pants and stuff like that and shorts. This is cool. I've had this a very long time. It is a size large. It honestly was very hard to photograph, and I think that's probably why it sat in my closet for so long. Where does it go? I think it goes this way. It kind of crisscrosses, so it was kind of hard to, like that. And it's just a dress, kind of like a knee length. Or this sold for $20 with discount shipping. I sent out an offer. You know, I had it listed pretty high, and I've had it for so long. I honestly just purchased a ton of dresses, and some of you guys know I really don't like selling dresses. I like selling them, I don't like photographing them or anything like that. So I have a lot, and I just purchased a bunch recently when I was going to Style Encores. They had a big sale, and so I'm kind of trying to get rid of some of my older dresses, and I mean they're selling decently well, not fantastic, but okay. Let's see. Yeah, everything behind me. This is something I've had for quite a while. I don't think I paid much for it, maybe $2 or $3. It's just New York & Company. It is a romper. It's actually super cute, kind of like a tealish green romper. It ties there at the waist, and it is new with tags, and I sold it for $10. I think I sent out an offer for $10 on eBay plus shipping. Okay, this is another Anthropologie piece. Anthropologie did really well for me this week. I'll count up at the end how many Anthropologie pieces that I sold. But this is a Postmark, so that's Postmark by Anthropologie. And this is just like a chambray, like a lace sleeves top, and it is a small size. It's a size 0, so it is a pretty tiny size. This sold for $20 on Poshmark, and someone sent me that offer, so I didn't pay full shipping. Okay. This is a pair of Guess jeans. They're actually a tie-dyed, like, yeah, tie-dyed distressed jean. These sold for $15 on eBay. I was just happy to get rid of them. They're a really small size, or they're like a 25 or 24, so they're a small size. And I had them listed a little bit higher, but then I'm like, you know what? Someone sent me a $15 offer. I think they sent me $15, or I sent out $15. I don't know. I was trying to get rid of them, so I was happy to get 15 for those. Okay, this sold on Poshmark. It's just a Ghostbusters t-shirt. I picked it up pretty cheap at Goodwill, and I was happy to get rid of it. I sold it for $12 with discount shipping, so there's like maybe like, I think it was $12 with discount shipping. Let's see. Yeah, $12 discount shipping, so not a lot of profit, maybe like $7. Actually, I probably did make 50% profit on it, like, or what you would say 100%, so I probably paid like $2 or $3, and so I'm probably going to make like $3 on it. Not a lot, but I was happy to get rid of it. I've had it for a while, and yeah, so I was happy about that. Okay, this is a Patagonia tank top. Had this for a really long time. It's just a nice tank top, kind of has ruching on the sides. Patagonia tank tops don't go for a whole lot. I sold this for $12 with discount shipping, so. Okay, and I think this is the last item. This is the PST, Project Social Tee. This is sold at like Nordstrom. It does have the Nordstrom Nordstrom rack tag on it, but doesn't have like any other ones. It's just like a really soft, kind of like a burnout tee. And this sold on eBay for $8.88. So that's everything. That's everything that I sold the last few days on eBay and Poshmark. Poshmark has definitely been slower for me, I think because I haven't been listing as often on there, and for some reason I have some momentum on eBay, so I keep selling on there, but Poshmark I haven't been listing daily, so yeah, that's definitely affected my sales. Something I'm going to be doing the rest of the summer hopefully is really focusing on listing every day. I made a bunch of drafts and listings on eBay Poshmark today, and then I'm going to take my photos as well and get those things listed. So probably about 15 or 20 items, so hopefully I'll get all that listed today. Anyway, thank you for joining me for this What Sold video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I post videos on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so if you want to see more content from me, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you are actually notified when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you later. Bye!